G'day everyone, in this box I've got the brand new iPhone XS. I ordered the gold color, so we're gonna unbox it and have a bit of a play around with it as well. This is the 64 gigabyte. Whoa, there I am. So sleek. That's the gold color. Let's turn it on. Alright everyone, that is the unboxing. I'm going to spend some time setting it up. Be sure to subscribe because in the next video I'm going to be comparing the video quality of both the external and internal camera of the iPhone XS with my iPhone 7, and we'll see if there's what the difference is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.